Good day traders, we will be trading pocket option by using Fractal indicator. Fractal indicator identifies reversal points in the market. It helps us to find good position on both support and resistance level. Be sure to select the Fibonacci chart type and the 5 seconds time frame. Let's adjust the fractal settings, so that we can easily find good position to trade, and to avoid fractal noises on the chart. Be sure to set the period of fractal into 4. Let's also add the RSI indicator to make our strategy profitable. Just set the period into default, or 14. Then let's set the line style of the RSI. Be sure to have the resistance level into 80, and the support level to 20. Also, set the RSI lines into your desired color and thickness. Let's now start trading. But before anything else, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get the latest strategies and indicators, trading with pocket option, and other option brokers. See the rest of the video on how do I trade with the strategy. First, we need to see if the RSI is on the highest peak of the support or resistance level. Take a look at this one, it reaches the resistance level of 80. It means that the trend of bear may be probable going reverse. Also, the fractal will soon create an arrow, it means a perfect reversal and position to trade. It produces a fractal arrow, let's go trade with it. Sometimes, the fractal will be erased. This means that the trend will go higher. The Euro, ROB, is having an uptrend momentum. You can also do the martingale method, with 2 to 3 steps with this. Got our result. Let's trade with another bear,